One, this video is about how to implement manual brake system with your home windmill. Uh, the requirement arises because I toasted one of my controllers just because I had to remove the battery, and when battery was removed my controller was still connected with the wind, and somehow the new battery was delayed by 2-3 days, and meanwhile, there was, as the controller was not active and the windmill keep working and toasted the controller. So I will be showing how I have implemented this manual brake with help of circuit breaker. So this is how it looked like. So this is 5-point circuit breaker, and you can see that lots of wires, and this is what I have was available with me, but let me show you how to do it. So this is the circuit diagram. So you will need a 2-point breaker and a 3-point breaker. I hope that 3-point breaker is already implemented with you, because I hope that you have not connected this uh, your windmill directly with your controller. So the 3 AC wires coming from the windmill will be connected in this 2-pin circuit breaker. So the amperes doesn't matter, because I have used these because this is 63 ampere, this is 20 ampere, this is available with me, lying with me, not being used, so I have used these. So you can use the circuit breaker according to your windmill watts and amperes. So these AC wires will go to 1, 2, and 3, and these 2 points are connected. So when I turn this on, this means that all these 4 points will be joined. So we know that if we join these 3 AC wires from windmill, the manual braking is invoked. So if I turn on this circuit breaker, this means that manual braking is on. When I turn it off, then the current from the windmill will flow to this circuit breaker 2 and 3, right? So all this red will go to this, this, and this. So and these 3 AC inputs will go to my controller. So this is how I've implemented. I have checked it and it is working perfectly fine. So what you can see in the picture, that this breaker is upside down. It's, this is done because I have to move all these switches up or all the switches down. So if this is inverted, this means that all when I put all the switches in upside, so this means that the current will flow to my controller, and if they are all down, this means that brake is on and this is off, the outflow is off and brake is on. So I have to invert this, install it inverted, so that either all are up or all are down. So this is a bit of thing I have done, and this is the manual brake. So whenever I have to remove the controller or batteries, with the help of these 2 circuit breakers, I can invoke the brake. So I hope this will be helpful for some.